Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Tanvir Ahmed Shuvo, and in today's video we are diving into a fascinating and essential part of qualitative research, document and content analysis. Whether you are a student, academic or just passionate about research method, this video will help you understand how researchers analyze written, visual or digital content to uncover deeper meaning. So let's get started. So first, what is document and content analysis? It's a qualitative research method used to analyze text, media, or online content. The goal is to identify patterns, themes, biases, or hidden meanings into those materials. This approach is commonly used in media studies, education, communication, and even policy research. Think of it like reading between the lines, not just what is said and how and why it's said. There are many different types of documents a researcher can analyze. We are talking about written text like letters, reports, or books, media content such as news articles, TV shows, or films, online content like blog posts, tweets, or comments, and official documents including policies, legal text, or government publications. Each of these gives us unique insights into people's thoughts, culture, or institutional behavior. Key features of content analysis. Content analysis has some key features that make it powerful tool. First, it's symmetric and replicable, meaning other researchers can follow the same process and came to similar conclusion. It can be purely qualitative or even mixed with quantitative elements. It focuses on language, context, and meaning. The core of this method involves coding, categorizing, and interpreting themes. More on that in the next slide. Let's break down the steps in typical document or content analysis. Define your research question. What do you want to find out? Select relevant documents. Gather your text, videos or posts. Develop coding categories. There are labels or themes you will look for. Code the content. Go through your materials and apply those codes. Analyze pattern. Look for repetition, trends, and contradictions. Interpret findings. Explain what these patterns mean in the context of your research. These steps help keep the process organized and objective. So, how do researchers actually do this? Some use manual coding, just highlight or writing notes on printers or PDFs. Others use tools like Excel or Google Sheets for basic coding. But in more complex projects, researchers turn to professional qualitative software like NVivo, ATLAS.ti or MAXQDA. These tools help you organize, code, and visualize the data more efficiently. Application of document analysis. Document and content analysis can be applied in so many ways. Here are some examples. Investigating media bias in news stories, studying the impact of public policy through government reports, analyzing public opinion using social media comments or tweets, interpreting historical documents like letters, diaries, or archives. It's especially useful when you can't directly to people but still want to understand their world. Now, strengths and limitation. Like all methods, this one has its strength and limitation. Strength include it's cost effective, it works well with historical data, and it's non-intrusive. No need to involve participants directly. Limitations include sometimes documents lack context or clear authorship. There may be selection bias. Only certain materials are available. And the coding process can be time consuming and subjective. Being aware of this helps researchers stay critical and cautious. To summarize, document and content analysis is a symmetric way to uncover meaning in text and media. It's widely used in qualitative research and helps reveal underlying message, values, or assumption hidden in everyday materials. Whether you are analyzing a government report or a YouTube comment section, this method gives you the tool to dig deeper. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a clear understanding of how document and content analysis works in qualitative research. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, drop a comment with your thoughts or questions, subscribe for more content on research method, data analysis and academic tips. I am Tanvir Ahmed Shuvo. See you in the next video.